Alright, we're making a custom fiberglass intake tube for this Roush M90. It's a pretty old blower, so they don't sell any intakes for them anymore. So I gotta come from the throttle body between the oil neck and the supercharger, come through, and then over into the intake housing. My air filter will be here. So you want to get a nice piece of size of styrofoam, take it, get a rough idea of how your intake tubing is going to look, and then right now we got it looking like this. I'll show you how it looks. Chainsaw to get it down to a smaller piece of styrofoam, and then we used a grinder with a nice rough pad on it, and then got it to a nicer shape. And then you want to go to a smoother grit sand block, and then get it down real nice and smooth, and then you'll be ready to go. So we've cut it out, shaped it, sanded it down to where it's nice and smooth. Got it all shaped up, so it's gonna run just like that, and then we'll have the air filter on. But I mean, you see, if I'll show you the next part. Pick up some fiberglass resin. Doesn't matter what brand. It'll come with a liquid hardener. Get you a decent sized pan so you can soak the fiberglass layers in, and we'll show you next. So you're gonna get a couple sheets of fiberglass. Roughly guess how much you're gonna need.
This was like a 48 inches by 30 sheet of fiberglass. It was 8 square foot.
8 square feet of fiberglass sheet.
Just gonna cut smaller pieces so they can work easy.
So you want to get your fiberglass pretty much all laid out to make a complete tube and wrap it up, and I'll get back to you on the next step. Once you let the form sit for a little bit, you're going to take some gas and flush it down and let it eat the styrofoam out and just get it all out. So here's the final product. We just sanded it down, painted it black. We wrapped it like 4 or 5 more times, so you're going to need a few more sheets than what I said originally, but it shouldn't cost too much. But here's the first run of it. You see it's kind of rough in the inside. I'd suggest wrapping your styrofoam with like clear packaging tape or something, because the resin starts eating the styrofoam away, and it makes it easier and it holds form better when you wrap it with tape. And then just cut the tape off whenever you're done wrapping it with the fiberglass resin, and pour gasoline down it the same way, and it'll make it real smooth. This one, the final product is smooth completely on the inside because we wrapped it with packaging tape and then just ate all the styrofoam out, and it's perfect now. And subscribe for some more racing videos, and who knows, maybe some more tutorials or whatnot later. Thank you.